I want to highlight the ideology of fascism because I recognize two acute dangers in the political dialogue of America today. First, I am greatly concerned because I'm seeing a lot of people throwing around the term fascist with pretty reckless abandon, calling lots of things fascist and fascistic that are not either. I've even been called fascist on numerous occasions for holding simple, straightforward conservative views, especially socially conservative views. I've been called fascist for being pro-life. I've been called fascist for holding traditional views on marriage. I've been called fascist for being against affirmative action, for being critical of the welfare state, for not voting for Obama. In short, there's a lot of people in America today who simply call any view they disagree with that falls to the right of them on the political spectrum fascist. And that's doubly concerning, given that this is the view that tends to predominate among the loosely affiliated networks of black-clad agitators that call themselves Antifa or Antifa, as we'll get into. And they're actually pretty fascist themselves. But so that's the first concern I have. And I'll get into some of the anti-racist and left-wing critical theories that have put meat on this false understanding of fascism. But the second danger I want to get into is the blindness I'm seeing, also among a lot of Americans, to the rise of certain key ingredients that can easily lay the foundation for fascism, and the mainstreaming of fringe political figures who, at the very least, are definitely fascistic, and if many of them are to be taken at their word, are in fact openly fascist. The combination of these two dangers, the use of the term fascist falsely on one side of the political spectrum, and the blindness to the rise of actual fascistic rhetoric and ideology we are starting to see on the other side, are combining toward a serious problem where fascism does actually face the possibility of rising into the mainstream of American politics without truly being confronted.